Are you looking for affordable and quality dental services? Look no further than Advanced Smiles Dentistry in Tijuana, Mexico. With over 350 reviews on TijuanaSmiles.com, we are dedicated to providing the best dental care to our patients. Our team of experienced dental professionals specializes in a range of dental services, including general dentistry, cosmetic dentistry, orthodontics, and more. Whether you need a routine dental checkup or want to enhance your smile with cosmetic treatments like teeth whitening, veneers, or Invisalign, we have you covered. Don't just take our word for it, our satisfied customers speak for themselves. Check out our reviews on TijuanaSmiles.com to see what they have to say about their experiences with us. Savannah says, I traveled from Silicon Valley to get much-needed dental work done that was unavailable to me back at home. Within an hour and a half, I had a root canal procedure and a deep cleaning done. I have never had such a pleasant experience with any dentist before. The whole team was so nice and welcoming, everything was explained thoroughly. Totally recommend Advanced Smiles Dentistry. At Advanced Smiles Dentistry, we believe that quality dental care should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer affordable prices without compromising on the quality of our services. Our clinic is conveniently located in Tijuana, just a short distance from the US-Mexico border. We understand that dental care can be stressful, especially if you're visiting from out of town. That's why we offer free virtual consultations on TijuanaSmiles.com, so you can get to know our team and our services before you even step foot in our clinic. We'll take the time to understand your needs and answer any questions you may have. So what are you waiting for? Visit us at TijuanaSmiles.com to schedule your free virtual consultation today and take the first step towards a healthier, happier smile. Thank you for choosing Advanced Smiles Dentistry for your dental needs.